Ants and aphids symbiotic relationship. Do you remember this movie?
And here's the line again.
Thank you, Mr. Soil.
Good job, everybody.
Did you know that in A Bug's Life movie in 1999, the queen is seen to have a pet named Aphie? In real life, this little bug is an aphids, and they live in harmony with the ants, but not as pets, but as livestock. In return, aphids got a protection from ants at the same time, and ants milking aphids called nectar.
They come, they eat, they leave. That's our lot in life. It's not a lot, but it's our life. Isn't that right, Aphie? Oh, you're such a cute little aphid.
Mutual relationships between ants and aphids. Mutualism between ants and aphids is a fascinating ecological relationship. This mutually beneficial interaction occurs in various ecosystems, including gardens and agricultural fields. Here's an elaboration of this relationship. Aphids Homoptera. Aphids are small, sap-sucking insects that feed on the sugary sap phloem of plants. While feeding, they excrete a sugary liquid called honeydew as a waste product. Honeydew is rich in sugars and serves as an important energy source for many insects. Ants Hymenoptera. On the other hand, ants are highly protective of their colonies and are constantly in search of food sources. When ants discover aphid colonies on plants, they recognize the potential food source in the form of honeydew. Mutualism begins when ants farm aphids. Ants protect the aphids from predators and parasites, such as ladybugs and parasitic wasps, by aggressively defending them. In return, the aphids provide the ants with a continuous supply of honeydew by excreting it from their bodies. To obtain honeydew, ants stroke the aphids' abdomens with their antennae, a behavior known as milking. This action stimulates the aphids to release more honeydew. This mutualistic relationship benefits both parties. Ants gain a consistent food source, which is particularly valuable during times when other food is scarce. Aphids benefit from ant protection, which allows them to feed on plants without as much fear of predation. The presence of ants can also deter potential aphid predators, creating a further advantage for the aphids. However, this relationship isn't entirely one-sided. Some ant species have been known to manage aphid populations by moving them to more favorable plant locations, effectively controlling aphid populations to maximize honeydew production. The mutualism between ants and aphids is a remarkable example of how different species in an ecosystem can cooperate to their mutual benefit. Ants provide protection and care for aphids in exchange for a valuable food source, creating a harmonious ecological relationship.